Welcome to TechWise Trends. Are you in search of a powerful and feature-packed mobile phone that won't break the bank? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G. This cutting-edge smartphone offers a true 5G experience, a stunning display, an exceptional camera setup, and a long-lasting battery, all at an affordable price. 1. True 5G experience with Exynos 1280 Octa Core. The Samsung Galaxy M34 5G is equipped with the Exynos 1280 Octa Core processor, ensuring seamless performance and 12-band support for an unmatched 5G experience. Stay connected at lightning-fast speeds and enjoy smoother multitasking. 2. Immersive Super AMOLED display. Experience visual brilliance on the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution and 1080 by 2340 pixels. Protected by Gorilla Glass 5, the screen offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals for an immersive viewing experience. 3. 50 megapixels triple camera setup, no shake cam. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the 50 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels triple camera setup. The true 50MP no shake cam, f1.8, ensures crisp and clear shots even in low light conditions. Plus, the 13 megapixels front camera is perfect for high quality selfies. 4. Massive battery and fast charging support. The Samsung Galaxy M34 5G boasts a powerful 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing long-lasting usage. With fast charging support, you can quickly top up your phone and stay connected all day long. 5. Android 13 with regular updates. Enjoy the latest Android 13 operating system on the Galaxy M34 5G, along with the assurance of 4 generations of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates, keeping your phone up to date and secure. 6. Stylish design and color options. The Galaxy M34 5G exudes elegance with its midnight blue color. The bar-shaped form factor adds to its sleekness, making it a true style statement. 7. Unlocked for all carriers. No need to worry about network compatibility. The Samsung Galaxy M34 5G is unlocked for all carriers, giving you the freedom to choose your preferred network service provider. 8. Seamless connectivity. With Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and USB connectivity options, along with built-in GPS, the Galaxy M34 5G ensures that you stay connected wherever you go. 9. Always-on display and mobile hotspot capability. Stay updated on your notifications with the always-on display feature, and turn your phone into a mobile hotspot to share your internet connection with other devices. 10. Lightweight and durable. Weighing just 208 grams, the Galaxy M34 5G is lightweight and easy to carry. The durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G is a feature-rich smartphone that delivers a true 5G experience, stunning visuals, exceptional camera performance, and a long-lasting battery, all at an affordable price. With its stylish design and regular software updates, it promises to be a reliable companion for years to come. Upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy M34 5G and enjoy the best that the smartphone world has to offer.